Introducing the Tohnichi LC200N3-G Torque Tester, a cutting-edge instrument designed to ensure the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrenches. This advanced torque tester combines precision engineering with user-friendly features, making it an indispensable tool for quality control in various industries. With a wide torque range of 50 to 2000 kg/FCM, the LC200N3-G Torque Tester caters to a diverse range of applications. The enhanced Quick Check function simplifies the testing process, providing fast and accurate results with the help of a color display for easy judgment. Equipped with built-in statistical processing functions, this torque tester automatically calculates minimum, maximum, and mean values, enabling comprehensive data analysis. The LC200N3-G Torque Tester also allows you to read the actual running torque, giving you valuable insights into the performance of your torque wrenches. Invest in the Tohnichi LC200N3-G Torque Tester and elevate your quality control measures. Its wide torque range, quick check function, statistical processing capabilities, and actual running torque readout make it an essential tool for maintaining accurate and reliable torque wrenches.